You got an early mark, Frank.
Yeah. I'm moonlighting as a family man.
Should have come upstairs for a drink last night. A lot of very influential people turned up.
Not my scene, really.
Chairman's wife's a nice old stick.
Yes, I hear. We've not had the pleasure.
So, how's your submission going?
It's finished.
So fast? Wow.
Want to have a look?
Is that it? It's not very thick.
Ah, there's the board.
Professional. How'd you get the extra budget, Frank?
For what?
To get it looking like this?
No extra budget. Did it all on computer.
What? One of ours?